Giant Diageo is expected to cheer strong profits growth when it releases its latest figures on Thursday. The report on increased sales is predicted despite continuing pressure from Europe's troubled economies. Richard Bestic reports from Scotland.
It's peaty soil at the heart of the drink's distinctive and differing tastes. From here it's rushed out to a world consuming it in ever greater quantities. A big earner for a small country, bringing in an intoxicating $200 a second.
It's very good for taxman, it's good for the economy, it's good for Scotland's economy and the UK economy, so we're delighted about that and hopefully that will continue, and there's no sign to see any slowdown in growth doesn't seem to be on the cards.
But whisky has a problem. It can take years for a good Scotch to mature. Take Diageo, the world's biggest distillers of Scotch whisky, serving up a dram to celebrate this year's Diamond Jubilee of Queen Elizabeth, a blend that'll have you reeling at $160,000 a bottle. All the whiskies in the blend were laid down 60 years ago when the Queen took to the British throne.
We're really very fortunate that whiskies mature in just the right way, and we were able to combine them to create this very distinctive and very special blend to celebrate the Diamond Jubilee.
But it's that investment in time and rising global demand, mainly from the emerging markets of China and Latin America, that's putting pressure on Scotland's biggest export.
Old stocks obviously are getting rarer and rarer and the prices are going up and up, but that's the elite top end of the market. And the bulk of the market, the sort of 93% of the market, which is blended Scotch whisky, is well catered for with the stocks that we have.
In the short term, of course, this is good news for companies like Diageo.
It sells its drinks in more than 180 countries, giving the company huge exposure to emerging markets globally. And consequently, its profits are quite considerably more than a glass half full. The latest half-yearly figures on target to touch new record highs.